Introducing the Dekton Universal Screwdriver. Finally, a screwdriver that eliminates the headache of carrying around lots of unnecessary screwdrivers. With its unique innovation, this universal screwdriver has one head with 6 different sizes. There's no more need to change heads. This Dekton universal screwdriver can be used on Phillips and POZI drive screws. Phillips PH1, Phillips PH2, and Phillips PH3. POZI drive PZ1, POZI drive PZ2, and POZI drive PZ3. Made with ultra-strong S2 steel, its unique design helps to avoid damaging screw heads. With its ergonomic, short grip handle, make putting in and taking out screws as easy as 1, 2, 3. The Dekton Universal Screwdriver is available in store-ready counter display unit and double blister packaging to suit various retailers.